Today we are going to be reviewing shapes, two-dimensional and three-dimensional. Two-dimensional are flat shapes. Three-dimensional are solid shapes. You can tell that they have length, width, and mass. So it says two-dimensional shapes you're going to color green. So all the two-dimensional shapes we're going to color green. So looking at our page, that rectangle, that's a two-dimensional shape. So we're going to color it green. I can't see how far it goes back. Okay, then we have a roll of paper. Oh, I can see how thick that is or how far it goes back. Oh, there's a triangle. I can't see how far that goes back, so I'm going to color it. Ooh, a cube. Yeah, just like in that story we read, the cube, we know that that's a three-dimensional shape. A door, a cone. Ooh, there's a circle. I'll color that green because I can't see how big that circle is. It's not like a ball that I could hold on to. There's a traffic cone, a paper, a cube box, oh, and there's a square. I think I have all of my two-dimensional shapes. Now I'm going to go back with my blue. Well, I can see how deep this is. I can see how wide it is. I can see how tall it is. So this is a three-dimensional shape. Same with the cube. I can see how wide it is, how tall it is, and how far back it goes. Okay, the door, I can see how far it goes back, and I can see how wide, and I can see how tall. Just like our doors at home. They're not very thick, but they are still three-dimensional. Okay, then we're going to look at the cone. It's how deep it is, how wide it is, how tall it is. So yeah, it has 3 dimensions. Okay, here's another cone. This is a traffic cone. It tells me how tall it is, how wide it is, and how far back it goes. So yes, this would be a 3-dimensional shape. This is in a regular shape because it's made up of actually 2 shapes, but it's still a 3-dimensional shape. Now a paper, this one's kind of tricky because a paper is 3-dimensional, just like the paper we hold. However, it's so super thin that it could go either way. I like to think of it as actually having depth, even though it's super tiny. So I call it 3-dimensional. And then we have our box. Yep. And there we go. Please put your name on the bottom line where it says name. Kiss your brain. You're doing great.